Welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. It's a beautiful sunny afternoon. Thought we'd go around and look at some of the native plants that are blooming. Let's go for a walk. This is Baccharis silifolia. The native bees, the little solo bees around here, and the hoverflies, moths, butterflies, wasps, everything really appreciates these plants because they'll keep blooming even when it's an exceptional drought. They're evergreens. They do drop a few of their leaves during the cooler season, but they bounce right back as soon as the rains start up again. You can hear all the activity around this bush. They're not in full bloom, is why they're not too active right now. Probably another couple weeks they'll be in full bloom. They'll get pretty tall. You'll see some of these 24 feet or so tall. Not a very showy flower. Still unique in its own way. We've got a nice little patch of green strawberry hedgehog cactus in bloom. Quite a few of them out here. A bunch over there. Another little patch of them over here. A little on the warm side today. I'm not complaining though. Let's go back over there by the pond. Show you a few growing along the pond. Little dragonfly down there laying some eggs. Got some flowers here in the Asteraceae family. This one will be blooming here in probably about 4 weeks or so. It's skeleton leaf goldeneye. It's purple prairie verbena. This one isn't in full bloom, but it's Fendler's bladderpod. Not sure about this one, but the hoverflies seem to like it. Up here on the back side of the cactus garden by the well, on the leaky weir, we've got a few. This is another skeleton leaf goldeneye in bloom though. green leaf five eyes. The quail really like this plant to eat it. This plant has some very tiny purple flowers that hang downward. Bicolored fan mustard. All this green you see here is green leaf five eyes. Got a nice eagle claw cactus in bloom. There's a strawberry hedgehog. This is the cactus garden here at the building. Eagle claw. Saw one the other day over here. Indian paintbrush. Not a lot of them out here, but there's a few peppered here and there. Two of the types of ferns we have here. This one's a resurrection plant. Got some nice specimens right there. Protected from the sun, they didn't dry out as fast. All the ones that aren't in the shade have already dried out, look like this. So as it gets a little water, it'll spring up and turn green again. And we are at the back side of the big leaky weir on the side of the road. Indian paintbrush just starting to bloom. Well, I guess that's going to be it for this one. If you like what I'm doing out here and you want to help speed this project up, there's a few ways to do that in the description of the video. Buy Me a Coffee's one. There's also Amazon. Every little bit gets me closer to being out here full time and making this project go a lot faster. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.